Hi everyone, it's Dione with the Dione Irwin Real Estate Team, and welcome to our newest listing at 592 Chinook Gate Close in Airdrie, Alberta. It's located in the southwest corner of Airdrie, across from a beautiful park and green space, and it's on a quiet street. Now let's go take a look at the home itself. Welcome! As you can see, I'm standing in the kitchen of this gorgeous home. This home features 3 bedrooms, all with walk-in closets, 9-foot ceilings on main and upper floor, a dream ensuite, an oversized attached garage, and it backs onto an alley so you can build a second garage if you wish. This home has so many upgrades and it's so spacious. I can't wait for you to see it. So, what did you think? If you liked what you saw and you want to book your own private tour, make sure you message the Dione Irwin team today. We can't wait to meet you.